Welcome back viewers in the course. Now this is the first section and the first lecture about niche selection. In this section I will discuss about niche selection in keyword research and how to find a very good niche. Basically, you might already have a website. You don't need to worry about anything because when you learn in this course you can apply those techniques on your existing website. But for now I'm going to create a website from scratch and I'm going to teach you how to find the niche, the keywords, and then start the website from scratch. So right now, what is a niche selection for SEO? A niche is basically a topic for which you create a website, because we are learning SEO, and for SEO we need a website to optimize. Basically, experts basically say that SEO starts before even creating your website. So guys, there are two types of niches or topics. One is broad niche, which is a big topic, and one is micro niche, which is a small topic or a topic within a topic. Now examples of niches are like I sell all type of bikes. That is a broad niche because I sell every type of bike like motorbike, sports bike, dirt bike, and mountain bikes. So that is called a broad niche. Now when I only sell dirt bikes, that is a micro niche because that is a topic within a topic. Now the second example is cameras.com, which is a broad niche or a broad topic because that has many type of cameras and many companies. But when we talk about action cameras, that is a micro niche because that is a topic within a topic, right? Now there are some very super competitive niches like health, finance, and travel. These are, guys, super duper competitive niches. So you should not try to create a website using these niches. You can still find a micro niche within these niches, but if you go for a broad niche, then that will be very hard and will take so much time, because initially for this course I'm going to teach you how you can get results in a reasonable time. I am going to teach you practically about that. Now sometimes we don't have any idea, we have an empty mind, we don't have any idea for niche selection, right? So some places are there which we can use to get a niche basically for our new website, because we are going to do this from scratch. So there's 4 websites: Amazon.com, Flipkart.com, Udemy.com, and Wikipedia are the places where we'll go to find a niche basically. Okay, so I'm going straight to Flipkart.com, and this is the #1 marketplace to sell and buy websites, blogs, and businesses. Literally you can sell any type of business online. What we need to do, we need to go and click the browse and then click websites. Okay, so we'll get the websites, and we are here because we want to see websites which are sold on this website already and sold for very good amount, so we can get an idea about that. So once we are here, we need to click the established websites. So we get the list of established websites. Like this website is about a converter which was just sold for $21,000. okay, it is not sold, but the highest bid is 21,000. okay, we can scroll down here and just click recently sold and unchecked open. Okay, so we'll only get the websites which are sold. Like this one is sold for $7,000, and it is just about poetry in Hindi language, not in English. This one 8,200 about electronics, and sometimes you will find like a very huge amounts here. Okay, so like small websites you can see, and big websites, laptopexplorer.com is sold for $16,000, which was making only $127 a month. So you can see like laptops has a very good potential here. So just explore the website, use different filters. And then there is another website, udemy.com, which is the biggest e-learning platform on the internet. You go to the categories. These are the main categories. Then we have the subcategories, and inside the subcategories we have these topics which you can say as micro niches. Okay, and these are the broad niches. So there are so many topics, and Udemy only adds topics when people search for that, so they are in demand. So you can find your topic here as well. Now the next option is Wikipedia, where you just need to write in Google list of hobbies, and you will get this page where you can see all the hobbies we do usually, outdoors, indoors, general hobbies, and different type of hobbies. This is a very huge list. You can find your niche or your topic for your blog or your site here as well. Last one is Amazon.com, which is the largest marketplace on the internet where people sell these products. You can see there are so many millions of products, right? So what you need to do, you need to just go here and click all, and these are the categories, the main categories on Amazon.com. For example, if we click this category baby and just search without write anything, then we'll get this page of different baby products. But the main thing to notice is here you can see under the baby there are different categories. So these are basically the micro niches you can go for and create a website or blog on that, you know, like activity in entertainment, baby and toddler toys, baby care. These are all basically micro niches. You can go and create your website for that. Now you might have a different reason for creating a website and learning SEO to get more customers and to get results from Google. You might have an e-commerce like this website. You know, I'm just showing you the different type of niches. So this is an e-commerce store where these guys are selling different electronics items like cameras and, you know, different stuff. So this is basically a broad niche because the guy is selling many things. Now the next website is a local business, or you can say a local company website about moving and packing services in London. Now this is basically, you can say, a micro niche because they are related to a city, London, and they're just doing a one specific thing. So you might also have a company website or a local business, or you might have an e-commerce like this, or you might also have a blog type of website, which is also called content-based website. So this is a blog, basically my own blog, where I write content about traveling. So this is also a broad niche, but at the same time a different type of website. Whatever type of website you have, you can still apply all these techniques on your site, right? Now you just go and explore these 4 websites to find your niche if you have not yet found your niche. If not, then I have, guys, a surprise for you. This is a huge list of niche ideas. Okay, this is a sheet, and you can, this is attached to the video resource file. Okay, you go there, download this one, and just scroll down. You will see all the niches here, guys, about broad niches, micro niches, and there are more than 3,000 niches, right? You just go whatever topic you like, you just click and copy that. And I have another sheet inside this file which is called my favorite niches. You can see here there are 2 columns, my favorite broad niches and my favorite micro niches. Let's say I add this one, copy and paste, baby food diet. This is a niche, a micro niche, and I added that here. You can do the same. One last thing while selecting your niche you can do is go to Google and write Google Trends. Click Google Trends. This is a free tool which you can use for checking the niche, whether it is a seasonal niche or evergreen. Okay, if it is seasonal like a holiday type of niche, then you should avoid that. Okay, so let's search by adding our keyword, which is food, baby food diet, and click search. You can see Google Trends is showing the data for last 12 months. We can change that to 5 years, and you can change the country from US to any other country, because maybe you are targeting any other country for your blog or your site. Now scroll down and you can see the chart is stable, so that means this keyword is okay. But when you scroll down more, you see like some of the states, the blue ones, have interest in this keyword, and the gray one don't have any interest. Virginia has more interest than New Jersey, Arizona, and Indiana. And we can also compare other niche with this niche. Like let's say go to this baby gear, which is another niche existing in our sheet. Let's add this one here, okay, and find out which one is better. So you can see baby food diet and baby gear. The red one is baby gear and the blue one is baby food diet, okay. So I think the red one has more searches and more interest, and if we scroll down more, you can see the entire US has interest for food, for baby gear. Actually, you can see the red one is very large, you know, and the blue one is a very tiny one. So that means it is very easy for us to decide and to go for baby gear instead of baby food diet, because this is a much better one, right? So this is it. This is the way to find niches. And sometimes like you can check for seasonal keyword. Like let's say if I add a keyword, for example, Christmas tree. Okay, I'm just giving an example. This is a very simple example, but it's okay. Christmas tree. If you check this Christmas tree, which is a keyword or you can say a niche, you will see only in December it is getting interest, and then in other months you see there is nothing. So sometimes when you have a topic which is only searched in a specific month or a part of the year, that means that is not evergreen topic. That is a seasonal keyword, so you can avoid that. Okay, now just go and find your niche and add that to my favorite niches, and I will also select my own niche and will show you in the next video what is that, and then we will go for domain name selection.